सोलु खुम्बु जाने आलुको रोटी खाने डोरी हाम्रो जीवन हो.
That's a Nepali version of IceIceBaby. म त सोलु खुम्बु जाने आलुको रोटी खाने डोरी हाम्रो जीवन हो. म त सोलु खुम्बु जाने आलुको रोटी खाने सोलु खुम्बु जाने आलुको रोटी खाने.
They can learn the technique of placing an ice axe, and more importantly, rope work. How to tie in, how to create anchors, how to equalize fillets, basic rescue. A lot of these skills, they were able to tie into it and really make an impact on their knowledge and their mountain safety. It's amazing how well the students are doing. They're just getting right after it.
I know.
On the ropes.